The sharing economy has changed our lives. From ride-sharing to renting our spare bedrooms, sharing our personal resources maximizes their value and creates new opportunities. The same can be done with rooftop solar. You can create clean energy using your roof, store it in the home battery, and share it with your community. Times and technology have changed, yet our current energy system is more than 100 years old, and maintenance costs are adding up. An estimated $2 trillion is needed to replace poles, wires, and aging infrastructure. In the United States, extreme weather is making this even worse, contributing to more frequent power outages, the highest number in the developed world. And the cost to strengthen the electric grid against future fire risks? In 2019, California utility PG&E estimates that it will need around $2 billion, though the final cost could exceed $30 billion. These costs are being passed down to energy consumers in the form of higher monthly rates and fees. We've also changed how we use electricity, with more than 40% of our electricity use now happening in our homes. So does it really make sense to generate that power miles away at a dirty power plant, when you and your neighbors could produce it locally, where it is used with rooftop solar panels? Day or night, that energy can be used to power your home, stored in a battery, and ready to provide security during a power outage. Your solar-powered home battery systems can network with one another, sending clean, stored solar energy back to the electric grid when it's needed most. Creating electricity where it's used just makes sense. It's time to put our rooftops to work. We can harness the sun's abundant energy to create a clean and resilient local power system. A system that's not reliant on expensive poles and wires, or fossil-fueled power plants that pollute our environment. It's already begun. The city of Los Angeles is retiring 3 of its plants, and it's possible to replace them today with clean energy from local solar and home batteries. And in Oakland, rooftop solar and battery systems installed on low-income housing will help replace a kerosene-fueled power plant. You can help replace a polluting power plant in your community today, with solar panels on your roof and a battery in your home, creating thousands of quality local jobs for your community. The time for solar is now. You have the freedom to create your own energy, taking control of your energy future. Join Sunrun in creating a smarter energy system for the people, by the people.